today we're gonna go purple, we're gonna go simple, we're gonna try to go very small and leaving negative edges. I find since I've been going bigger, I always put too much paint now. And today's gonna be a lot of problems because I have, for my pillow, Glidden Essentials Semi-Gloss. Lots of people love it. My last 5 cans have been full of air bubbles and goopies, and it's been a big problem, but that's all I have. So for air bubbles, what you can do, although it's not really gonna save this one, but you can torch it. If you only have a few, you can take a little pin and pinprick them, but who has the time for that? You can try spraying some alcohol on it. I've tried that. That hasn't really worked for me. So if I like the piece when it's done and there's white bubbles, after when it's dry, I take a paint pen and I just fill the dots in the matching color. Once you resin it, you can't tell. So we'll see what happens. Number 2 problem. I got paint in my spinner, so it doesn't really spin very well. So we'll see what happens with that. Now, the colors I'm using today are Golden Permanent Violet Dark, one of my new favorites, Atelier Quinacridone Red Violet, and then I needed a little sparkle, so we're going with Color Art Hydrangea, and it's a little light, so I added just a drop of Arteza Lilac Gouache, and it made it darker, but it's still sparklier. And then I have Golden Interference Violet. I love putting this on top of the other colors because it really creates really nice peacock cells. Another thing I did with this, by the way, to get the bubbles out is I just kind of picked it up and whacked it a few times, but we're still gonna see some bubbles for sure. So let's get going. So I'm gonna try to put small amounts of paint, and hopefully we'll see some negative space. So we're just gonna go a little bit, or what I think is a little bit. So next what I will do, because I wanna separate, because you know you wanna make your good layers of your opaques and sparklies and transparents. So what I'll do is in between the violet and the magenta, I will put the Color Art pigment. And then I will put my magenta, and then I will put the interference on top of that. Okay, and then we have the interference. Violet. Okie doke. Oh, my cell activator today is Lamp Black mixed with Shelly Art's famous secret sauce. You can take her class. I have 15% off code in my comments. And it comes with a really great Facebook group from people all around the world who can help you. Let me get this guy back in the middle a little bit. It's kind of wonky. All right. Well, okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can see some air bubblies coming. Air bubbles, air bubbles. Let me fix this corner. Okay, almost there, I think. All right, I think we're gonna leave her the way she is. So you can see some of the air bubbles coming up now. We're not gonna stress too much about it. All right, let's see. I don't know if we're gonna spin. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Okay. So this is a good example of what happens when your cell activator is very thick. It just stretches the thickness and doesn't necessarily give you more cells. I don't think I like these thick lines so much. Whoop. And if you blow now, sometimes you can get cells, but most likely not. Yeah. See, I would just want to keep spinning and get all this black off, and then I wouldn't have any negative space, would I? Okay, not, and those air bubbles are killing me. Hello, I just did a piece I didn't like for many reasons. This pillow is full of air bubbles, Glidden Essential Semi, but I want to see what would happen if I tried to fix it somehow. So I'm gonna move it out of the way and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna try to do. It's not really gonna fix it because I still have this crazy pillow with all these air bubbles. But we're gonna do a little switcheroo. So what if I take some pieces and make a different pattern? Okay, so let's keep placing them. I don't know really what I'm doing, but it just seems like a shame to waste How are we doing? Is this weird looking? Possibly. I don't know, you guys. All right, let's see. What are we looking at here? Any other good bits? Maybe this bit right here. All right, I don't know. Let's spin it. My spinner's broken. So let's see what I did, if anything. Whoop. Well, it's certainly interesting, isn't it? It's very modern looking. Get some air bubbles out. I see a few little gloops. I'm really not liking this paint. I'll get another gloop out. Maybe one another little spin. All right. What are we looking at? It's kind of cool and marbly looking. I don't know. Here, this is the way I would look at it. I actually like this section a lot. Get those sides. Let's see. Yeah, okay. This is how I would look at it. Well, I hope you learned something. And never waste paint, because you never know what you can build. Have a good day.